Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Counter-Strike 2 on your iPhone. Since Counter-Strike 2 is a PC-exclusive title, you won't find an official app on your phone's store. However, you can still enjoy the game on your mobile device through streaming. This involves playing the game on a powerful computer and sending the video and audio to your iPhone. A strong and stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience, minimizing any lag or interruptions during gameplay. One popular way to play is by using the free Steam Link app. First, download the app onto your iPhone. Next, make sure your personal computer, where Counter-Strike 2 is installed, is powered on and running Steam. Both your iPhone and computer need to be on the same local network for this to work effectively. You'll then pair a compatible Bluetooth controller to your iPhone, such as an Xbox or PlayStation controller, for the best gameplay experience. Finally, launch Counter-Strike 2 directly from your Steam library within the app. Another excellent option is to use a cloud gaming service. Platforms like GeForce Now, Boosteroid, or Shadow PC allow you to stream Counter-Strike 2 from their powerful remote servers directly to your iPhone. This means you don't need a high-end gaming computer yourself. You'll typically need a subscription to these services. For a good experience, a high-speed internet connection of at least 15 megabits per second is highly recommended, ideally over a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. For the best possible experience, always use a physical Bluetooth controller paired with your iPhone. Touch controls are generally not ideal for a fast-paced shooter like Counter-Strike 2. A very stable and fast internet connection, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, is paramount to minimize latency. Be cautious and avoid any unofficial Counter-Strike 2 mobile applications, as these are often scams. Finally, consider lowering the in-game graphics settings on your streaming PC or within the cloud service to ensure the smoothest possible frame rate on your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.